In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Huion Canvas 22. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the setup of your Huion Canvas 22. This will also work with any other Canvas model, and you can use it connected to any device, so a PC, a laptop, or a smartphone, regardless of it. Whether it is Android, iOS, regardless if you are using Windows, Mac, or Linux, you will be able to set up your canvas and start drawing with any software of your choice. So first, for the physical connections, the main option that you have to connect the Canvas 22 to your device is going to be by using these ports here. So they will have a 3-to-1 cable. You will plug an HDMI cable plus a USB cable, and finally the power cable into the power brick or this adapter here. So to establish this connection, use an HDMI port, a USB port, and then connect the power brick to any standard power outlet to give it power to function. So once you have all of these connections done, it is going to function and your screen should be mirrored over. If you are connecting it to a mobile device that doesn't have access to an HDMI port and so on, then you will need to use a USB-C to USB-C cable. So you will plug one end of the USB-C cable into the tablet and then the other one goes into your smartphone, for example. Now, if you are connecting to a PC, it is important to download the necessary drivers. So you can go over to the Huion website at huion.com, and in here under support, you will be able to find the download center and you can look for the Canvas 22. You will have Canvas 22 and Canvas 22 Plus, and you can download the drivers for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. So establish a connection by using an HDMI port, USB port, and then connecting the power brick to any standard outlet, or use a USB-C to USB-C cable. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.